Yeah. Whatever, just roll a film. All right, now, look at this guy. You ever seen a R.O.B before? This is a R.O.B right here. Right here, this is a R.O.B. See that metal thing? Handlebars turning. BMX freestyle. We got the dog leash here. And, oh, what about under there? You ever seen under there before? Hey, no looking without me supervising you. Now, look at this beautiful snaily pipe. We got this beautiful silver tank and a lot of nice things on here. And heck, you even forgot. Oh, I just ripped the foam off of this hood. You can look at the bottom side. Look at that paint in there. Look at that paint. That's just amazing, fantastic attention to detail. And I wouldn't miss a single second of that. You hear that? Don't miss a single second. Otherwise, you're wasting your life.
I want to like try to like make some drama out of nothing.
Man.
All right.
What? Maybe some glue? I don't know. Gosh, we ripped Rob's foam hood cap.
All right, Jacob.
Notice.
I don't think that this glue was. I mean, what is this?
It's.
What the frick is this crap?
I can't. Ah! It's panic mode.
It has some weird glue.
And it's not right.
Oh, here we go.
Hello. I have this exclusive jet ski built by the one and only R.O.B. Look at the colors. Look at the beautiful paint. Handlebars, this beautiful alien switch thing, the colors of the chrome mast. It's got dirt bike handlebars, foot things. Look at that. Look at the back. Look at that. Ah! Look at that. And look, got this billet eye hole. And just all sorts of that swooping aerodynamics. It's got the multiple curving up tentacles on the bottom that are going to give it extra slidiness in the curves. Whoa. I'm gonna tell you, there's even more to it than that. If we take a look, can anybody spot the dog leash on it? As you can see, children, mothers, fathers, you can even have your pet on a leash on your ski, and it has a flat area for them to get their grubby paws on. Now, this is nice for pets because if they fall off, they will still, even though they will be dragging in the water, they will be not lost. And I don't know what to do with it. Oh gosh.
I thought this was supposed to be an intro, but
well, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with my gut.
that's fine. It's totally fine.
I did learn how to take the hood off earlier today. Let's just kick that in the back. Whoa. Oh man, is that a tank that's been finished by Chen Ki Bin? That is what that is. That's a Chen Ki Bin 2-gallon fuel tank from Hong Kong. We got a beautiful custom fabricated 650SX Kawasaki pipe on this Yamaha 701. What else we got interesting? Oh, it's got a little push button bilge pump here. You hear that? It's the engine going. Vroom, vroom. It's got one resonator here, and it's got another one in the tray that's all foamed in.
Just hidden in there.
Yeah. Let's see. So this is a R.O.B, which stands for Restoring Old Beaters. Originally this was the 1200, the first 1200 Superjet with the 4-inch exhaust. If you want to go look in those videos, you can find what it looked like before, but it was an ugly old bird, and it's been fully restored. You guys, I mean, he chopped the back off, he rockered this thing, and he didn't even show up for the video. And this pole he made, this is a R.O.B, RRP, R.O.B Rippin' Pole. That's what that stands for. Not Richter, R.O.B. So, I don't know what else to say about it.
Got one tubby there, another one there, dubby tubbies.
Oh yeah, so this handle pole, basically there's nothing in the nose, but this bracket goes into like another brace that bolts into the front floor on it.
For extra strength
Yeah,
and
so
durability.
basically this pole is bolted into a huge bracket that goes directly into the bottom of the front of this thing. So that's pretty cool. It's got, let's see, one of these cooling lines is for the engine and the other one goes into the exhaust to make it quiet, because resonators are always loud. We're gonna see how loud it is. But kind of cool little thing. And seems like it really worked out. So what do you guys think of the R.O.B? Do you think that R.O.B needs to sell this ski, or do you think R.O.B needs to keep this ski? Tell us in the comments below.
You think that idle's set low enough?
Hey, low idle sounds cool.
But yeah, it's not gonna run in the water. It's not gonna idle in the water like that. I obviously, we're not gonna put that on the video. Well, me saying that, I hope.
Oh, we're gonna put that on the video so they can know your true self.
They can know that I'm mean. You guys are stupid. Ah!
Oh man, we're just ready to backflip. Did I do that right? That's the backflip pose, right?
What, can you tell me who do you think is gonna end up owning this ski?
I don't know. It seems like maybe Jacob will, since R.O.B's really trying to get out of the business right now. So that's all right, I guess. I mean, I feel like R.O.B should really hold on to it because he needs to keep riding for his own sake.
I could get it from him. Then I'll have a stand-up.
Oh. I'm kind of curious what it's going to be like to ride this thing.
But I'll wait till you guys tell me how good it is.
Well, like, this is, like, every one of these is not a cruiser ski. Like, man, I feel like I'm too tall for this ski right now. It just seems like I should be, like, up here with this pole. But these foot things are back a bit farther than that. And I hate super short poles. So, like, I think you're going to be like, yeah, I love my back too much to like this.
Well, you gotta remember, I'm shorter than you guys.
Yeah, but you're not that much shorter. Is this the nozzle?
Yeah.
The Pro Max. Man, nice little finger throttle there. You think this is gonna like flat water backflip?
No,
We don't have any flat water anyway.
I don't think it's got enough power for flat water.
Yeah, it seems unlikely. Was it the 701 in there?
That 701 with like a custom pipe, but I don't think it's really gonna get that much out of the pipe.
Yeah, that sounds true. That all sounds true. Is this just like for looks so we can like set it down? What's the deal with that?
That used to be glued on there. Now it's like, it was special glue.
Oh, okay. Special glue. Got it. Primary color scheme. That's really beautiful. Sure makes you think about the 70s. Remember when they were making these skis in the 70s? This ski remembers it based on these colors. But it looks kind of too pretty to be. I'm gonna look at what's under the hood. I'm sure you guys already talked about it.
We did, but you go ahead.
Okay. I know R.O.B made that pipe, and I heard that it was a pain. And that, like, R.O.B's into fabricating stuff, and so if it was a pain for him, man, you can only imagine what a pain it would be for someone else. What is that based off of? Is that a 650?
Yeah.
Kaufman pipe?
Well, I think it might be just a stock, this part.
Yeah, well, I imagine this is based on the stock. This
But
looks
this-
like stock 650, but that's a Kaufman. I
Right.
don't know, maybe that just like lets you put the 650 pipe on there.
Probably.
And this is like a fake water box, maybe?
It's a resonator.
Resonator. Ooh, this battery's got to be bolted down more before we do the backflip. And is this tank lightweight enough for the backflip?
Alright, let's see if there's any gas in it.
That sounds unlikely.
I don't know how to open it.
I don't either. Should we break it? Oh, there is some. And I'm pretty excited to see this thing go out. I don't know if it's gonna work. Do you think it's gonna work?
I'm not sure.
It's sort of a reputation for putting things out in water like this and having it not work. I got these beautiful red and blue, or not red and blue, the yellow and blue tubing with these zip ties. I like the baffling in the bottom of this too. Easy design. Easy design. Baffling. Baffling. Isn't that baffling?
Mm-hmm. Well, I suppose I will run camera while you guys launch this.
Oh, well, we're launching it.
Well, we're using this. It's got a sweet surf cart, so we might as well use it.
That's true. It does have a sweet surf cart.
Okay. Well, Jason,
Yeah, you're doing the other part, so I don't want to get that wet.
Running strong. Is that really all it can do?
Just warming it up.
Sounds like trash.
it's an accurate depiction of how it runs.
Ah. Good.
I don't know why he thinks it'd be any better. But you gotta try, I guess. I don't know. Nah.
701 came out of the Widow Raider.
Yeah. And then some weird things happened to it, and then it went to Rob.
Huh. What weird things happened to it?
Seems to me that Jacob took some parts off of it.
Well, I'm sure he just made it better when he did that.
Yeah. I
If
didn't
I
know.
had the chance, I'd get 760 for away from
Oh. Hey, he's got it detuned. One cylinder. Running like a watch. It's okay.
All right, Jacob, evaluate this ski.
Alright, so it wasn't really running quite perfectly, so this is just an ergonomic evaluation, but I'm gonna say that my back doesn't feel as crooked from the short poles I thought it was going to. I think it's fine. I think these handlebars are definitely a bit on the wide side, so I would definitely shorten them up to like as much as you can realistically go, and they seemed like, I don't know, it wasn't a very good test. But really, about all I can say.
Okay.
It wasn't way loud. We found that out. It's not way loud, so that's good.
It's also not way quiet.
Well, you know what?
It's somewhere,
Mr. Negative Nancy.
somewhere between.
It's not an 1100 straight pipe, so.
Yeah, it's somewhere between the Sea Rat and the normal Superjet, I guess. Any closing thoughts?
Didn't go quite to plan.
Nur your heart.
Surprise Josh so bad he's not gonna realize I'm doing it. Okay, so on today's episode of JetSki Brothers, Josh is currently contemplating the meaning of life as to whether or not he should try and make this cardiest jump from one log to another. And he is also looking at the camera trying to think what the heck is going on and who the heck is narrating in his voice right now. Meanwhile, Josh is currently looking over the abyss over to his insane twin cousin Jacob, who is trying to also figure out why Caleb is not on a t-shirt yet. Meanwhile, behind Jacob is this nice blustery boat who we're all wondering, should we go hijack that boat and go on a nice high seas adventure by ourselves? The world may not.